Hi guys, Brian here at BBK Performance. We're in Temecula, California today at our R&D facilities. Today I'm with Guy Parsons. He's one of our lead exhaust designers, been with the company a long time. And we're going to be looking at our latest F150 Coyote header, which fits all the 2011 and up. And as you can see here, it's a tune link design. Okay, as we could see in the photo, you were able to really package a equal length design into that direct fit factory setup. Can you explain, Guy, why that's so much better than what we can see here with the factory manifold being not only is it a restrictive design, but it's also considerably different length tubing? What's the equal length design giving us?
Basically, in our design, we've got a lot more runner length in our tubes, which creates more power all the way through the power curve.
So it's basically like creating a long tube header,
and
or as close to it, but in the direct factory application.
Yeah, just keeping the length in the tubes and making more power.
And as you guys see with all of our BBK headers, you're going to see either our tune length designs or our long tubes, which, you know, the tune length, that's what we're trying to achieve here, is the power as close to a full length in a factory design.
Exactly.
So we're going to take a look at it in the truck here in a second, but some of the features that I know are on this new header, they're available in both ceramic and the stainless steel. You did an 1 3/4, you said, on this header?
1 3/4, yes.
Now, what made you go 1 3/4?
We tried an 1 5/8 version and it choked the motor down, so obviously 1 3/4 is the way to go to make power.
The ones I had seen us testing and some of the manufacturers offer the 1.5 inch, you know, there wasn't an improvement in torque to justify the loss.
Not even 1 5/8 was pretty minimal.
So the 1 3/4 was the best performing, and then we've got our CNC laser cut 3/8" flanges.
Yes, sir.
And it's got the flat surface, so it's perfect seal, works with the factory gaskets or with our new gaskets.
Graphite.
Now, so everybody out there knows all of these headers, when you do the design, you not only design a header, but you make sure all the hardware, gaskets, everything that's going to allow customers out there install it in their own backyard and do what they need to do.
Yes, sir.
Well, that's awesome. What kind of horsepower did we end up getting on this?
About 10 to 15 with the factory tune.
Okay, so it is with the stock tune.
Yes.
So a lot of you guys see all these tuners out there. So basically on our headers, our throttle bodies, our air intakes for these F-150s, like we do on the Mustangs, everything's designed to work with the factory tune. We also build these tune lengths to be 50 state EPA legal. So by the time you see this video, that paperwork's hopefully gone through and tested, and those will already be 50 state. So let's go take a look at it on the truck. Let's do it. Okay, Guy, I see that we actually, on this truck, we've got our Power Plus Series throttle body. We also have our air intake system.
Yes, sir.
So the header itself, we talked about, it's a direct fit. Doesn't look like there's a ton of extra space, and it looks like you really came up with a design that packs that equal length into the Shorty packaging, huh?
Yes, very proud of it.
So as far as installation time on this, what would you say?
A good part of an afternoon on a Saturday.
Okay.
You haul butt, you could get it done.
No special tools required,
Nope.
no cutting, no bolt, just bolt on.
Direct replacement.
So let's take a look at, I know you got the inner fender wells taken out. We'll take a look at the underneath so you can get a better view of this.
Okay.
So, you did a hell of a job on that design, Guy. You know, it definitely looks like it's something that packages extremely well. It's going to get a lot of horsepower, and it's a very reasonable price point. So for more information on this header, plus other products for your favorite car and truck, please check out bbkperformance.com. Thank you.
Thank you.